A very good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Dr. Dinesh Bakkad. Today I am presenting my research paper entitled Empirical Study on Impact of COVID-19 on Service Sector at this innovative online one-day national conference on socio-economic impact of COVID-19 in India, organized today, 30th April 2020 by SPK College, Sawantwadi, Maharashtra. It can be said that our country has changed dramatically over the last month due to COVID 19. The novel coronavirus pandemic has resulted in unimaginable loss to Indian economy. While the impact of novel coronavirus on service sector has been destroying worldwide, the human cost has also been staggering. The service sector is very important for India as it is contributing half of the GDP growth in Indian economy. Therefore, the study tries to understand the service providers' view regarding COVID-19 and how it impact on them. Here are my research methodology. I have conducted survey of 500 respondents of service providers through convenience sampling method. The study is restricted to Dhule district of Maharashtra state. Here is demographic profile of my respondents, age wise, income wise, service sector wise. Due to time concern, I could not provide detail of my research paper. Here are findings of the study. Most of the respondent strongly agreed about COVID-19 impacted on service sector. The respondent also agreed that there was negative impact of COVID-19 on service sector. Service provider also responded that except health sector, other sector lacking behind due to COVID-19. It is found that there was rapid economical changes after COVID-19. The study also reflected that COVID-19 collapses the business opportunity. I directly come to conclusion and suggestions. Due to COVID-19, service sector highly impacted and it was lacking behind. Health sector is exceptional in the service sector category, but other sector collapses due to lockdown and COVID-19. COVID-19 crisis has caused an unprecedented collapses in Indian economic activity over the last few weeks. Government should measure these rapid economical changes after COVID-19. Government should adopt policy framework for business opportunities and development. Thank you very much. I am thankful to the organizer, especially convener Principal Bharmal sir, co-convener Thakur sir, S.S. Patil sir, organizing secretary Dr. S.M. Bua sir for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much. Thank you.